Students, I hope you all are good. This is Anjum Wahid and today I am again here with a new topic, that is Whetstone Bridge. Dear students, this is very easy and important topic for your board exams. So first of all, what is Whetstone Bridge? Whetstone Bridge is an electronic circuit which is used to find the unknown resistance. For example, here in this diagram you can see there are four resistors P, Q, R and X. These four resistors are making a bridge. That's why we are calling this circuit, this electronic circuit, as bridge. Dear students, please keep one thing in your mind. Here this resistor is a variable resistor. These three resistors are fixed resistors and this is a variable resistors. Now what will we do? How we will be able to find the unknown resistance with the help of this Whetstone bridge? Basically, here to find the unknown resistance, first of all we need to have an null point. So what is null point? ये स्टूडेंट्स, जब यहाँ से अब आपने देखें इसको दो जो आपके रेजिस्टर्स हैं, सॉरी जो जंक्शंस हैं, दिस जंक्शन एंड दिस जंक्शन, दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू अ बैटरी एंड दिस जंक्शन एंड दिस जंक्शन इज कनेक्टेड टू अ galvanometer. Now what will we do? Actually, whenever current is flowing through this circuit, then what will happen? Then the current will flow through this साइकिल एंड अगेन थ्रू दिस साइकिल. अब आपके पास ये जो वेरिएबल रेजिस्टर है, इससे आपने रेजिस्टेंस को चेंज करना है. जब आप रेजिस्टेंस चेंज करोगे तो आपके पास एक ऐसा पॉइंट आएगा जहां पे गैल्वेनोमीटर जीरो डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगा. गैल्वेनोमीटर से कोई करंट पास नहीं करेगा. एक्चुअली उस वक्त क्या होगा कि जो पोटेंशियल है ये P एंड पोटेंशियल थ्रू R, दीज टू पोटेंशियल विल बी इक्वल and same will happen over here. तो इस तरह के जो केस हैं, जब आपके पास ये होगा कि गैल्वेनोमीटर जब जीरो डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगा, then at that point we can write, देखें, potential through AB and potential through AD, these two potentials will be equal. Okay, potential through this and potential through this, and again potential through this and potential through this will be equal. यहाँ पे इसका नाम है A, B, C and D. Okay, so this will be equal to, here you can see potential through AB is equal to potential through AD. तो potential किसके इक्वल होता है? By using Ohm's law, it will be equal to V is equal to IR. So here it will be I1P, this will be equal to I2R. Again we will use the same condition over here. Potential through B will be equal to I1Q and through DC it will be I2X. Now dividing these two equations, you will get P upon Q is equal to R upon X, and by rearranging this equation, finally you will get X is equal to RQ upon P. Dear students, this relation can be used to find the unknown resistance, but the condition is this: you must know the values of R, Q and P. अगर आपको R, Q और P की वैल्यूज़ पता होंगी तो तमाम वैल्यूज़ यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके आप X फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. एंड व्हाट इज X? X इज एक्चुअली एन अननोन रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, तो आपने देखा कि वेटस्टोन ब्रिज को यूज़ करते हुए हमने अननोन रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ रेजिस्टर कैलकुलेट कर ली. Dear students, this is the whole story for today's topic. I will see you again with the next topic. Till then, goodbye.